This is part two of why it's really difficult to watch TV next to my good friend over here, the guy who never snores.
Mammals really got down when the dinosaurs were cleared away. They could start out fresh.
But that's not the
Survive.
good.